Hello there, my beautiful friends. Today's video is all about rustic vintage shabby chic. Shabby chic is a design style that combines elements of vintage and modern styles to create an elegant yet worn look. This decor theme is characterized by its use of soft colors, gentle textures, natural materials, and romantic appeal with a country cottage feel. Shabby chic decor is a timeless design style that seamlessly blends the old with the new, offering a sense of warmth and comfort in any space. With its signature blend of vintage charm and modern sophistication. Shabby chic is the perfect way to create a welcoming and elegant home. Shabby chic is an interior style that focuses on anachronistic vintage furniture with a distress or wear and tear feel. It's a delightful balance between the rustic appeal of cottage or country decor an abundance of white, floral prints, and natural textures. It's a delightful balance between the rustic appeal of cottage or country decor and the nostalgic elegance of vintage-inspired elements. Shabby chic design is all about rustic themes and furniture. A well-designed shabby chic space will showcase painted and withered woods, wrought irons, burlap, metal art, and decorations, and any other items that have that farmhouse flair. In fact, the more worn the better, as long as it still looks stylish, that is. Why is shabby chic so popular? From those early days, shabby chic featured vintage wooden furniture with peeling paint layers, junk shop or sale room items such as mirrors, faded floral upholstery, colored glassware, and coffee tables. The brand grew in popularity when it created custom-made sleepovers to put over vintage furniture. Most antique dealers considered an item to be vintage if it is at least 40 years old. A vintage item would be made between 1918 and 1978, even though many vintage items are nostalgic. They are sought after for many reasons besides their age. This includes decorating and collecting. Using vintage pieces can be a conversation starter and a way to infuse your personal heritage, style, and memories into a space. Often have a quality and craftsmanship that is not often found in new items at a similar price point. Not to mention, you're upcycling older items. Modern vintage has been a rising trend in interior decor as homeowners mix vintage pieces with more modern styles. Blending old, often inherited pieces with more contemporary styles results in a soulful home full of unique and interesting pieces. The vintage decorating style was once a nostalgic look back at chintzy designs and was designed to create a cozy, nostalgic look. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.